Hello, welcome back. In previous videos, we have highlighted the need to decouple the usage of information systems from the location of the users. This challenge is met at two different levels that complement each other: a distributed infrastructure and potentially distributed information systems. We have discussed distributed information systems in the previous section. Now we will address distributed infrastructures. These distributed infrastructures are built on top of telecommunication networks or computer networks. Thus, in this video, we will provide a brief introduction to some key computer networking concepts. In our business world analogy, this distributed infrastructure would correspond to the company's global logistics. The computer networks discussed in this video would correspond to the roads, trucks, ships, and airplanes on which this logistics system would be based. In its simplest form, a computer network would consist of two computers, named nodes, linked through a communication medium such as an appropriate copper cable. If several of these nodes situated in the same office, building, or campus are linked together, the resulting network is aptly named local area network. It will normally link together a number of PCs and potentially some more powerful server nodes. In most cases, all elements of a local area network, both the nodes and the communication medium linking them, are owned and managed by the same organization, the owner of the office, building, or campus. A local area network allows its nodes to interact among themselves, for example, supporting client-server applications or sharing resources such as printers, disk space. It might also be the point of access to other more complex networks. To link together these nodes, we will typically use a combination of copper cables and wireless links. In local area networks, wireless connections are normally based on the Wi-Fi standards. Nodes equipped with Wi-Fi access capabilities, PCs, smartphones, even smart TVs and other devices, interact wirelessly with an access point, through which they access the wired part of the local area network, as if they were connected to it by a cable. Other wireless standards, such as Bluetooth, are often used to connect pairs of devices for simpler tasks, such as attaching a computer to a printer or a wireless keyboard. Standards are a key element in computer networks. They allow different manufacturers to build hardware and software products that properly interact with the products of other manufacturers, provided they all fully conform to the same set of standards. Standards can address different levels. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and various cabling standards are examples of alternative approaches or standards at a lower level, closer to the actual hardware and signals. Most local area networks nowadays, both wired and wireless, are based on the Ethernet standard. That implies that the Ethernet standard, being defined at a higher level, is compatible with various alternative approaches or standards at a lower level, such as different cable types and Wi-Fi. In the next video, we will discuss how local area networks are also used to access more complex networks.